Mastering the phrasal verb, put out. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson where we delve deeper into the world of English phrasal verbs. Today, we're focusing on a very common and versatile phrasal verb, put out. As we go through this video, you'll learn different meanings of put out and see examples of how to use it in sentences. So, let's get started. The phrasal verb, put out, has multiple meanings based on the context it's used in. Primarily, it can mean to extinguish something like a fire or a cigarette. For instance, firefighters worked all night to put out the forest fire. It can also mean to produce or publish something. For example, the band is putting out a new album next month. Additionally, put out can be used in a context of inconveniencing someone. For example, I hope I'm not putting you out by asking for a ride. Now, let's look at some more examples of how to use put out in sentences. We'll explore all three meanings. Extinguishing something. 1. After smoking, he carefully put out his cigarette. 2. Can you put out the candles before you leave the room? Producing or publishing. 1. She's putting out her debut novel this summer. 2. Our company puts out a quarterly report to update our stakeholders. Inconveniencing someone. 1. I wouldn't want to put you out, but could you help me move these boxes? 2. I don't mind babysitting tonight. It's not putting me out at all. Notice how the meaning of put out changes based on the context in these sentences. Let's do a quick practice exercise to test your understanding. Try to fill in the blanks using put out in these sentences. 1. The camping trip was fun, but we had to blank the campfire before we left. 2. We're blank a new podcast series next week. 3. If it's not blank, could you pick up my prescription on your way home? And that's a wrap for today's lesson on the phrasal verb, put out. Hopefully, this video has made understanding and using put out a lot easier for you. Remember, the best way to master phrasal verbs, like any other aspect of language, is through practice. So, try using put out in your everyday conversations. Stay tuned for more lessons on phrasal verbs. Happy learning, everyone!